We're continuing to make it even easier to leverage the power of Fusion extensions with your Inventor data. In Inventor 2023.1, the event simulation command is separated into two types of simulations: dynamic event simulation and quasi-static event simulation. This helps you to get straight to the module that you need to use. All components included in a Fusion export dataset can now be viewed more clearly. Selecting the browser node in the Fusion export folder will highlight all items in the browser and canvas that are included with that Fusion export, making it much easier to see what has been sent. We've also streamlined the process of opening Inventor data sent to Fusion. Using the right-click menu, it is now possible to update and open the model in Fusion 360 with one single command. All this and much more in Inventor 2023.1.